It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 21. Nothing's moving. I think it's fabric. I think it's fabric. Oh no, it's ribbon. Oh, it's washi tape. I was wrong with all my guesses. Oh, look how cute. Okay, there's fish. And a kitty cat, though. Washi tape is great for keeping track of your projects, like your places of where you're at, sewing lines, whatever. You can put this down and then like kind of peel it up. It's reusable. Repositionable. That's what I'll say. It's repositionable. That's cute. Those are cute. Goes with a notebook. Love it.